Hello, this is Miss Emerson. Today I'm going to show you how to do the My Country Physical Geography notes. What you will do is you will go to Courses in Schoology, go to our Social Studies course. Click on Materials. Not Materials. Let's click on Grades. We'll click on Grades here, and I want you to go and look for the My Country Physical Features notes. You will click on that and open the assignment. The instructions say, please submit a link to your notes. See instructions below. I have attached an example below. So here's an example I'm going to show you how to do today. This is an example of what your notes would look like, but with your information, not mine. Okay? This is Miss Emerson's work. You will do your own work. So there is an example. You will open up the My Country Physical Features notes and complete these. Remember that physical features has to do with the earth and with nature. So when you do this, you are going to be looking at the physical geography of your country, or the physical features. So the first thing you will do is put your name in. So my country is the United States. Your country is probably another country. It may be Nicaragua, it may be Mexico, it might be Liberia. You put your country name here. Okay? Now, what you need to do is follow the instructions here. This tells you what you're supposed to write over here. So it says map of my country, picture. So I want a picture. So what I will do, I'll make this a little bigger so you can see it. What I will do is I'm going to go to Insert. Click on Insert, then Image. Then click Search Web. Search the web. Okay, so right in the search box over here, we are going to type United States map, and I will find a map that I like. These are United States, and some of these are old maps. Okay, let's see, I'm going to go back up here. And let's say I like this map. So if I click on it twice, okay, click twice, one time, two times. Whoops, let me try it again. Click very fast, it will go right there. So let me try that again, see if it does that. So again, we're going Insert, Image, Search the Web, United States map, or your country, and then you can click two times, or you can go down here and click where it says Insert. Okay, now we don't need it to be that big, so I'll click on the picture, and then I will take the edge of the picture and I'm going to make it smaller using my my pad, my mouse pad. Now it says 5 important things about my country. Here you can go on the internet, or you can type things that you already know. Okay, so for example, and it should be about the physical features. I should say about the physical features of your country. The United States, let's see, is the third largest country in the world. Okay. It is located on the continent of North America. So if you need to, you can go online and you can look for information on the internet. So I might go like this, and I want to find information about the United States. Then I can look here. You could put some of the information here, but do not copy and paste. Do not copy, okay? We want to know about the physical features of our country. So let's see. Maybe I should put up here United States physical features or physical geography. Okay. And we'll do a physical, let's see, it has a physical map. Well, here's some information. It tells us, but that's a lot of information. So I might want to go someplace else. Let's see, physical features of the United States. Let's see what's here. Well, that's a map, so that doesn't work. So we'll go back. That's okay. Sometimes you don't find your information. Ah, here we go. This one looks good. The United States is the third largest country in the world. Oh, look at that. Ooh, I could add this information to mine. 3.5 million square miles. I won't copy and paste, but I am going to type it in there. So I'm going to put 3.5 million, what did that say? Million square miles. Okay, now for this one, for your physical geography notes, you are going to find something about the landforms in your country. Remember, so think of the different landforms that there are. So for example, mountains, plateaus, we learned about this, plains. So some of those things can go in there. So I'm going to try to look for a, let's see, it's not water, okay? So I'm going back here and I'm going to look for a landforms picture, and I want to think of one that I already know. So I know about the Rocky Mountains, United States, okay? Mountains are an example of a landform, and look at these pretty pictures. And I want just the mountains, not the water, just the mountains. So I'm going to click on that one, and then I'll come down here and click Insert. Oops, it wouldn't put it in there. So I'm going to have to find another one. So I will go in here, whoops, wrong place, to Insert, and I will search the web, and I will try another picture to see if that picture works. Let's see, did I try this one before? Let's see, I wanted to try to find one without, oh, here we go. That's a good one. Let's see, Insert. And it says it's not working. So, oh, there we go. It worked. Now I have two of them. Command Z. I'll get rid of, I like that picture. So I will keep that picture, and it's too big. So I'm going to put this here. And, oh, now I have three pictures. This is too big. So I'm going to write a caption here to tell what this place is, or this landform. So the Rocky Mountains. Okay, I'm going to make that picture smaller so that everything fits on the page. And the caption tells what a picture is about. Now what we need to look for would be the names of some landforms. So, whoopsie, let's try that again. Sometimes it's hard to move it around. And so the names of 5 landforms in my country. Now here, by the way, you still need to do 5 of these. I only did 2 of the important things about your country. So I will, you need to have 5. I only have 3, so I need some more, but I want to show you what to do. So for the landform names, you can go online, and I see here the Rocky Mountains are one of them, okay? The Appalachian Mountains and the Great Plains, okay? This tells me it's in the eastern United States. These are mountains. These are landforms. Plains, remember, plains are landforms. It's a large area of flat land, okay? So I'm going to put down here, oops, I gotta go back. I'm gonna put down here for the 5 names, I'll put the Rocky Mountains, and I said the Appalachian Mountains, whoops, go back to the right one. And I'll put the names here for the different landform names. And it said the Great Plains, that was one of them. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for water, bodies of water in your country. So in the United States, this says major rivers and landforms. So maybe, I can find the Mississippi River. That's some water. So I'm going to put that down as one of the rivers probably later. So I want to find a picture of the Mississippi River, which is in the United States. So I'll click that, whoops, image, search the web, and then I have to delete this, and I will put Mississippi, my Mississippi. Whoop, there it is. Click. Mississippi River. Ooh, these are some nice pictures. I think I want that one. So I will click Insert, and I will put, let's see, it might take a minute. Remember before it said unable to create some images. But maybe that will happen. Maybe it will come. So one thing I'm going to put down here is the Mississippi, Mississippi River. And then you need more of these. You need to have 5 bodies of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it looks like that picture is still not working. So I'm going to, again, go over here and see if I can find another picture that works. That one looks good, so I will insert that one. I'm going to refresh my page. The reason I'm going to refresh is because that will maybe help it to work. So I'll make that bigger again. And bodies of water, I want to find a picture. I'm looking for the Mississippi River. And there it is. And I'm going to try this picture. Actually, I like that one. This one's a pretty one. I'll get rid of that one. Insert. And there you go. So I had to refresh my page because it wasn't working. Then I made it smaller. I need a caption. Mississippi River. Okay. And then go on the internet if you don't know the names, and you will find more bodies of water for your country, not the United States, but your country. The United States